Hello guys, this is Kimberly. Today I'm gonna show you a long curl pattern wig. Hey guys, look at this. How pretty it is. I will let you show how it looks. The curl pattern is very nice. And the color is very beautiful. The basic color is number 4, which means the lightest brown, and there are 27 and 30 color, which means the blonde color streaks in it. It's very pretty. Okay, let's take a look at it in details. Ta-da! As you can see, the lace is very soft and thin, and it has 4 inches wide lace front, so you can part any way you want. Silk base layers are coated on both ear tabs. Sleeve grips is all the way through ear to ear hairline, so it won't slip. It has 2 combs at the front side and 1 comb the nape side, an adjustable band right here, so we can adjust as you wind. It has open breathable cap. It's very stretchable. I'm gonna show you how the curl panel looks. It looks so natural, and colors are mixed well. It's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.